Hello guys, nandito na naman. Snow na naman today dito sa lugar namin. For 3 days walang for 3 weeks wala kaming snow dito. Hinintay namin na mag-snow nung nakaraan na weeks pero wala talaga. Pero ngayon snow warning na naman kami today, I think, and even tomorrow. Siya nga pala, medyo madilim pa kasi kinukuhaan ko ang video na ito na on the way ako to my work. Kasi pang umaga yung yung work ko, kaya ito medyo madilim pa, hindi masyadong maliwanag pero makikita yung paligid natin, puros puti. Ito kasing dinadaanan ko na papuntang work, wala siya masyadong kabahayan. Kaya yung makikita natin puros mga parang field ng snow. Kunti lang yung mga nagbibiyahe ngayon kasi pag meron snow, storm warning, talagang canceled. Siyempre canceled yung mga classes, tapos yung mga iba nag-i-stay na lang sila sa home, sa bahay nila, to prevent nga mga accident. Siyempre po yung mga nagbibiyahe today, yan yung mga papuntang work na hindi pwede i-cancel yung mga work, lalo na yung mga nag-work sa hospital. Walang holiday, walang off day. Pag meron kang schedule na mag-work ka. Kailangan mong pumunta. Except yung mga employees na yung mga area nila na hindi talaga passable. Syempre, kailangan nilang tumawag sa nursing office or kaya anong agency sila na i-inform nila na hindi sila pwede pumunta ng work. Mostly excuse naman pag yung talagang area na hindi talaga madaanan. So yun sila, pwede sila mag-off, tumawag muna sila. Talagang medyo slippery yung daan, kaya kailangan dahan-dahan yung mga pag-drive ng mga driver, kasi kung hindi maano sila sa ma-stack up sila sa daan, o kaya talaga mapunta sila sa sa mga kanal. Ayan, sa pagbibiyahe namin ng ilan minutes, lumiwanag na siya at makikita na yung work area ko, yung work place kung saan ako nag-work, at makikita na. Okay guys, bye.
The Coopers here just got Spectrum One. Why did you switch? Because Spectrum Internet delivers the fastest download speeds in the nation and the fastest Wi-Fi speeds. Look, I can stream Spectrum news across all our devices.
And the advanced Wi-Fi has enhanced security and privacy features that automatically block online threats, keeping our family and devices safe and secure.
Silver advisory for 85-year-old Janice Bruns. She is 5'2", 160 pounds. She's got gray hair and blue eyes. She was wearing a pink sweatshirt when she left the Del Mar Assisted Living Facility yesterday afternoon to go to the grocery store. She has not been seen yet since that time. She was driving a black 2017 Ford Fusion with Missouri license plate number CR2G2W. Police say she does have a diminished mental capacity and does not have her medicine with her. If you have any information, please call O'Fallon, Missouri Police, or 911. Respond, Janice. As St. Louis Interim Public Safety Director Dan Isom resigns. He's taken a job at Amber, Missouri. Deputy Fire Chief Charles Coyle Sr. will now be the interim director. The The city of St. Louis will begin a nationwide search for a full-time safety director.
Well, the sentencing date is now pushed back for former St. Louis County worker Anthony